Hello Amazing Klein family, Coach V here to show you how to get into your Schoology account. The first thing I would suggest you do is to pull up your Chrome browser or whatever browser you have. Maybe it's Safari. Go ahead and pull that up so you can get to the internet. Then you'll want to type in Google, google.com. Alright, I suggest you use Google because you can sign in with your Gmail account and you can save bookmarks. It makes it easier to get into some of the teacher-created activities as well. So that's the first thing that you will want to do. Once you are in Google, you're going to go ahead and type in Klein Student Net. I'll see that. When you do that, it's going to pull up a link right here. It says Klein ISD Student Net. Click on that. Alright, now if you do not know what your username and password is, this gives you some information right here. Username is S, and then your 6-digit student number, and then the password is the same thing, S, 6-digit student number. Alright, so then you're going to scroll down, and you can either click Schoology to go straight to Schoology, or Dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click Dashboard just to show you. You're going to click Dashboard, and this is going to bring up a slide. This is where you need to type in your S, alright, your student number. So I'm going to go ahead and use one of my kiddos. And then you type in your password and you click Login. When you do that, it's going to get you to your dashboard where there are all kinds of things for you to use, including Schoology. So if you scroll down through here, well, first I want to point out that you now should see your name. So my son's name is Kodiak, so I can see his name over here. Alright, so I scroll down, I can see Remind, Schoology, Nearpod, I keep scrolling. I can see Imagine Math, I can see Lexia, Khan Academy. This is where all of those goodies are. So Tumble Books, lots of different things that you can get to from here. But since your main platform is Schoology, that's what I want to show you about today for online learning. So Schoology is right here. There's the blue circle with an S. Click on that. Alright, and that's going to take you to your course dashboard. Alright, so your course dashboard has all the courses that you are enrolled for at your school. Alright. So, if you'll notice, there are some that have these awesome pictures added to it, and then some that has this blue look. Alright, if it has a blue look, you're probably not going to be using that course. So if you notice, I moved all of his courses up to the top. So let me show you how you do that. So let's say I wanted to move this course. You left click on it, hold it down, and then move your cursor up and just drag it. And then I let go, and now that's at the top. Okay, I don't want that at the top. I want all of the classes that I will be using at the top. So I'm going to move this back down. Alright, and we're good to go. So from here, from this course dashboard, you can click whichever course you're trying to get into, whether it's your social studies, math, grade, whatever course you're enrolled in. So if I wanted to go to PE, then I would click here and it would take me to that course. Alright, and that is how you get into Schoology. Have a lovely day.